Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the Fujifilm X100VI. So this is the latest in the X100 series, following on from the X100V, which was released back in 2020. Now these cameras are well loved for their retro styling and their fixed 23mm lens, so you'll be pleased to know those two things haven't changed. We've got the same 23mm f2.0 fixed lens as the X100V, so you can expect the same performance when it comes to sharpness, clarity and distortion. This also means that it's compatible with the legacy WCL and TCL lens attachments. And we've got the same retro look and feel with only a couple of minor changes to it externally. While the height and length of the body are the same as that on the X100V, it is about 2mm bigger depth-wise and weighs in at 521 grams, including battery and card, making it just 43 grams heavier than its predecessor. This is actually really impressive when you consider the upgrades that have been made internally. Improvements have been made to the two-way tilting touch LCD screen, where it now has a flat tilt of 45 degrees rather than just 30. And I know that doesn't sound like a big deal, but it definitely helps when it comes to usability and shooting awkward angles. What other upgrades do we have? Well, the X100VI boasts a 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor along with the X Processor 5. The same as found in the X-T5, so we get that AI processing technology, fast and accurate autofocus and better subject detection. We've also got 5-axis In Body Image Stabilisation that provides up to 6 stops of compensation, which is a first for the X100 series. It's been a while since I've shot with an X100 camera, but one of the things I absolutely loved on the X100V was its hybrid viewfinder. So I'm actually really pleased to hear that the 6 has inherited the same one. That just means that it's going to be as bright, sharp and clear as its predecessor, and that means it's going to be a real joy to use. And of course, I can't not mention my all-time favourite thing about Fujifilm cameras and the reason the X100V was so popular, the film simulation modes. And the X100VI features 20 of them, and that's with the addition of the beautiful Reala Ace, and I love that one. We've also got some other firm favourites like Classic Neg, Acros and Monochromatic Colour. I could probably stand here and list all of them off, so I'm going to stop there. And it is thanks to the film simulation modes along with grain effect and colour chrome effect, which allow you to get that really nostalgic filmic look to your shots, which I just can't get enough of. While the X100VI is predominantly a stills camera, it has got some pretty decent video capabilities. You can record in 6.2K 30 with a slight crop, and you've got 422 10-bit internal recording. So if you did want to dabble in some video while you're out and about, then you can. And if you were wondering about its weather resistantness, then wonder no more. The X100VI is weather resistant as long as you're using the ARX100 adapter ring and the PRF49 protection filter. And that is literally just because you need to protect that front element. As soon as you've done that, you are good to go in all kinds of weather. As expected, the X100VI is a beautiful camera. It's sleek, retro, classic design, paired with the 40 megapixel sensor and the X Processor 5 and all of that good stuff that comes with those things makes this a real smart choice for the style conscious traveler, or any of you who are looking at being maybe a little bit more discreet when you're out doing your candid street stuff. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Fujifilm X100VI, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.